Pinhole leaks and the sellability of your house. Attention homeowners, if you know what I'm talking about, then you need to watch this video. If you live in the town of Plainview, Old-Bethpage, the surrounding communities, we've been inundated the last couple of years with the copper tubing becoming problematic in that they're starting to develop these little tiny pinhole leaks and causing homeowners a lot of unnecessary expenses with repairing walls, with sheetrock, and fixing the plumbing. Most of the time the plumbers come in and instead of replacing it with copper, they're replacing it with something called PEX, which is a plastic piping that does not corrode. The reason why this is happening is up to debate. If you live in the towns, you know what I'm talking about. Some people believe it's because the houses are at least 50 years old or more and copper tubing is not made to last that long. And others believe it's a problem with the water from the water district, and the town has, or the water district has hired professionals to come in and do some research. And some people believe for the most part that that's helping, but I will tell you, being a homeowner in the town of Oyster Bay, I just had a leak about the last 3 months. Cost me about $400 to $500 to repair it, and that's with me doing the sheetrock myself. So the problem still exists. So if you're trying to sell your house and you're having this problem, what can you do? Well, number one, if you have a leaky pipe, you have to repair it. If somebody's coming to buy your house and they're using a mortgage, which most buyers do, it's never going to pass the appraisal process. They're going to see leaky water or leaky pipes. They're going to see possible other damage that can be caused from this, and it's going to be a red flag right there, and it's going to have to be repaired. If you're selling to an investor, then there is no criteria. They'll buy the house as is. If that's in your contract, a cash deal, no banks involved, you can move on and sell it, but in that case, you're usually selling it at a discounted rate. So can you sell a house with pinhole leaks after you repair them? Of course you can. When people come in to buy these properties, they have to realize they're buying a used house. They're not buying something brand new. So when they buy a house, there are other possible pre-existing conditions that could be problematic as well. So you as a seller can do something what we call a pre-home inspection. You can get a home inspector to come into the house and look in all the areas where their water might be leaking, understanding that home inspectors will not remove sheetrock to look behind something, but if they see a sign of water damage on the ceiling or on the side, they'll red flag it and say there's a problem there, and then you can hire a plumber, bring it in, and fix the problem before it is a reason why you possibly lost the buyer that wanted to buy the house. And as a buyer, what you can do is definitely always get a home inspection. And if you see an area that's problematic, you can talk to your attorney about possibly putting some money in escrow where it's held by the attorneys. And then when you take ownership of the house, or if you want to work it out before that with your attorneys, you could possibly have them check a little further into a problem where there might be a leak and get it repaired, or leave money on the side, or reduce the amount of your purchasing dollar amount by whatever it would cost to possibly fix that. So again, pinhole leaks and selling your house, it can be done, but it is a sign of the times. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And this is Mark Schreier from Century 21 American Homes, and thanks for watching. Hello, yes, I'm talking to you, the person that watched my video to the very end. Thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like me on Facebook. I am a licensed real estate agent in New York State, but I also have a referral service that deals nationwide. So if you're looking to buy or sell a house anywhere in the United States, please send me a text, contact me via phone, and I'll set you up with a local professional in your area. If you're in my vicinity, I'd be more than happy to help you out in any of your real estate transactions that you'd like. This is Mark Schreier from Century 21 American Homes, and I'll talk to you soon.